Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Camera! You're on the camera! Let's go over! Let's go over! Hi, I'm on 495 and a car just ran me off the road. Or just ran me off the road.
Which direction are you traveling?
I think I'm headed southeast again. Yeah, we're at exit 49 at this point. I think he's about to take it.
Can you put some good distance between you guys?
Yep. Yeah, I'm two cars back at this point. He just pulled over to the shoulder. He just pulled over to the shoulder, and he's getting out and he's charging my car. His shirt off.
What exit are you at?
49.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna keep driving now. Yeah, he's in the road. He's in the road with his shirt off. Yeah. It's a white male, buzz cut, tattoo on his left forearm. Yeah.
Is it your vehicle?
No, I pulled away. Now he's behind me.
Is he behind you now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the shoulder.
What I need you to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so try to get onto traffic, okay?
Okay, I will. Okay. Oh.
And
No, he just drove away. I'm just gonna stay here.
Jesus, you stupid Tesla. You make good time?
Dude, come on.
You can literally just wait until the light turns green and then go. It's that simple.
And then they always jump the gun and end up stopping.
Yeah.
And then just going when the light turns green anyway.
This guy, he seems like the type.
Average pickup truck driver.
I'm gonna turn left into the right lane.
Yeah. And then change lanes.
What?
So much about their score and how wonderful he is. And I love those folks.
What a asshole.
Rides around until...
Oh, so you worked on there from Amazon?
Yeah. I do delivery.
Whoa.
Crane.
Oh my gosh.
How'd that person not see me?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until
KDOG North Mankato, your hit music station.
Be patient. She kept trying to jump up and put her toy in the camera view. I was doing it. I said, "Put your arm down." What are you? I went, "Oh, you're."
Jesus Christ.
anything about it. It looked like Ed Bart was in luck, as he usually was. As the curious vampire that he was curious. Oh!
Everybody okay?
I'm sorry. I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I just want to like man and wife. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that.
You okay? Hey, call 911!
Damn! And
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.